Okay, guys, we are back at it with PGHL. And this will be just a quick update. They're not coming out with news or anything like that, and not nothing official, but many people don't know exactly what's going on with this, and a lot of people aren't even seeing this, which is why this volume is still so low. I have been making videos on PGHL not only just yesterday, but also in the past, saying that this is going to be one of the next stocks that's about to explode again. And we've seen PGHL stock come in for a massive move all the way up to the highs of about a $200 spike. Now, don't get me wrong. This is not just the strongest fundamental thing that's going to be climbing up all safe and stuff like that. Once it really gets to going, that spike will come in almost instantaneous. I could probably zoom back and show you exactly how fast that spike even happened over on your 15-minute chart. That happened instantly into the after hours. That was back on the 26th of last month. Now it's the 26th of this month. Starting to gear up again. See how history repeats itself towards the after hours. Now, if people continue to hold this up, I'm going to show you on PGHL. They're going to get ready to come in for an explosion. And right now, you got extra larges. Now, we're not just talking about the small retails over here. A couple people off of Twitter and stock tools not seeing it. We're talking about the extra large scales loading this up, which is why I would make videos yesterday saying insiders only. Because the only insiders like they know. But here at Bank with Billy, we see everything. We bring you the safe, easy, early seats. So make sure that you get subscribed to the channel so you don't miss out on any updates, any analyses, or any early seats and seed. And I'm telling you that these things are about to explode. And you can meet us over in our Bank with Billy Discord sections where we're letting you know what to buy, what to sell, most importantly, when to buy, and most importantly, when to sell. And just because I'm still holding up something 800% doesn't mean that you have to. You can lock in gains and remember to sell wherever you feel nervous and have your 7 to 15% stop loss. Already putting out the next new set of swing trades. If you want to be in for the next new set of swings for the safe upcoming week, then make sure that you're in here to see these things on time. Let's get right back into it now. What PGHL, for those of you who don't know, is engaged in rock and soil transportation. Okay, the company operates its business through three segments: soil and rock transportation. Is engaged in handling, loading, and transportation of excavated materials such as soil and rocks. The biodiesel trading segment is engaged in the sale of biodiesel oil for construction contractors, which utilize biodiesel oil to operate construction machinery. And the construction work segment is engaged in excavation and lateral support. And I do believe that there was another oil that I was looking at. And watch, they looking pretty similar right now, don't they? You see these oil things, they looking pretty similar right now, man. I'm just pointing this out to you. You don't miss out on anything upcoming while you got extra large buying into these things. We'll be out in PGHL up to our current watch list for swings in the upcoming week. These are some to be looking out for. PGHL stock is massive in short interest, huge in short interest. Would you like to see how far this stock actually has been? Or that's Saba. That was Saba. Make sure we look at the right one when we're looking at stuff. PGHL stock is massive in short interest. Is there never been this big in short interest? And what we're going to be watching is an initiation of a short squeeze. Right now, what they're doing is probably hot rounds of short covering down here at the bottom. And there's things you can do to look at that, like fintails and stuff like that. But no time to look at. In fact, you know what? I'll go ahead and type it in. I'll take a quick second just to show you guys, knowledge is power. No one is half the battle. We're looking at PGHL. Let's see what we can see the short interest looking like. Okay. And you can see that as the days goes on, the time goes on and whatnot, they got less and less shares available to short. These are the times, man. These are the times where short squeezes and whatnot get initiated, and it's gonna be fast. That's why all those extra larges coming in, because all those extra larges and big wells, and like I was telling you in that last video, the insiders, they're gonna make that an instant move. But you already in there and you already prepared for that, and you probably what they do is they be having they sale orders and stuff like that already set up at certain highs. So when it hits that and they were sleeping or whatever, it just automatically gets triggered. So those are always options as well. But again, nonetheless though, if you're new to trade and still learning things, you can always join me in the Banker with Billy Discord. Follow along in my section. I'm telling you when to buy these things, what price, what time, match up those dates and all that stuff like that, and you'll be able to see when I'm telling you time to sell those things, and nobody gets left hanging in the Bank with Billy Discord. Get the next one on time. I'll see y'all in there. Happy trading.